sisa kajikta kajong drugs kamtam kabede ki kena ki bananghe dan kamtam kakata hindi tangi ki longyeng longsem o kakata wari ki imlang kasalang kakata hiya kajalahi berkoy kamtam susun kamtam ki longyeng kamtam ki longyeng ki baduk ki bakikmi ki pa ki hapan jenjar hindi tangi ki pa ki men ki para paro galong kumba ladon uwi na kalongyeng kajong ki ba idon hapan yang kajing pang kajing sistem makinahapan ay kajing sumar hindi tagata kajing sumar kiman pelut ikaspa kapo kajing tulmar kajing mut kajing perkat bat kamtam kajing pang kadonot kemensim bat ban ay kabede bat kajing sumar ya ki kon ki blangap kilangop akan dikasir jong drops ladi kondi bandon kajing trelang nadu najing nasem ban ay kajing hikai ban kimde ban wat ban kata ru ya kinu kiba ki sungtu bakala ban penuak ki na kisnong katharu nilade bandon taki ki an ki rule kiba don kam banyada na kani kajingwan kathep jong udrok bat ladon kam ru ndai tang kisnong kitha ladon kam ru khamtam na sarkar ban ai ya kata kajing ki an ki rule batinge khnang ba kini gibawan kidi ban yo ya kata kajing pensaja na kajing sistem khnang ba kinumdon kini ki bawan ban wandi ban wan pa wan pon kon ki samla ki jong ni
kajing su jong ni te tai kan ga drok te ka basem jing sisai long ki kun samla jong ni mentabar ko kadrok apa nong po ka bala jelai tingi ko ai ba kini trelang bat ka sarkar mat kini ki rang ba snong mat ki sang bahalang ban ni pa ban trelang kan akano kadur ka sarkar kan yaram marga kajing jot ka bala bunda
plus kataru ngiyoi ba manta ka lembakan ni kajing jelai jong ni drugs ngiyoi ba sibun ba kajing sniw mo kimi kamdan syu kata kajing itip lem kamdan syu kata ka kabong mo kabong ba ka songsok songan hapo kari ka jajungi de ane kalau kajing kerpat ka jongan aku monong we na ki kun samla joga snong ka tau ka joga stit ka jongi ya ngakwa ba nagalang jongi ku samlaro bangin pikir ya ne uja jindi namar lada phi ngok ya kumno uja jindi ko para samla kalong ba kai ka ba phi pindu kalong ka wi ka jingkren simet ka jingsuk pindu bat ka kot ka khia khamtam kumba ong ka ketim dat kot ka khia ka de kaspa ba kala da ka kot ka khia ngidu no ka makan mento yu bangin im daga kai ka bakongsan kalong bangin tiar hi ka karpa di para samla mo bat tiar no ne uja jindi ko kanjat ya ka jing ka joki
kumba kemi bi bagi jing sniw ndai abagi kemi blocks no ki bon ba ki kandan hapan baniai te kapan thak ya ki nong tre ke dei dak da ba na leng ga jongi ni kham chem chitom ban rat dong khong ya ka jing sniw ju blocks ka jing yo lan jong ka jing khali ya blocks hapo jong ka district ka jongi ha ka state ka jongi ka de bitang na ka da ba ka sarkar jongi kam da shim khia than bat kam da pet bah ya kajing wan rong kertep kini ki beri ki banaba ki bangi ni lap hapo district ke jongi ru de ki banaba hi ki wan di yang blocks ke nak leng ka jongi le itu citom bah menta lalai sobnai menta ngim yo bah ban chong thai ru namar ba ni ya khun ban rat tong khong ya jing sniw de tang ki daw ki jing sting jong kini ki an jong ba ngim la mate nakam di lada kalong bangin kentui besarkar balada kala kalong ba kandaya syong terkhat bah da kerja komiti khnang ba nyinla ban yo bor ban kem kanuksa kalong ba menta lada ngin ai bor sa kishnong ngin ai bor sa ki BDP kemat ba ngilala te ban te lakam nama menta sibung yo kem yo drugs kemba katu kat ne gram ngimla te ban kata tu drugs ni haban phone ni ki narkotik ni haban phone yo DSP te jan ba phone jan e ke penjenjar ni le la dangi yo kapor ha takti ke jongi leng ba ki snong kamut ba ni khamla ken ban tre ban ka kam sok ni ban tre te kata ka ba kham nam kam te ka chu tu ka jongi kalong ba sarkar ka de ban pom da ka do kan kan komiti ka ba rat nam khomi drugs kham tam ba ka de ban khot ya ki snong bat kum tu ka de ban khot ilang yang BDP ki ba ha pa po jong ka stit por go we bangin ya tai bangin ya thir bahagian nekam kenang bangin la bandat nongkrong yau ni drugs kaba nakal yang kajongi yo iba kajing jin lei nta kalong ba ni ting nomor ba hapo nong story hi bor ka we ni la yo ya ka information kaba wat ki kena school ru menta kila yo ban ngop yau drugs ti menta kala ting yang ni nama ki kena school pada hapo ya ka khat riu khat yo snen kila ngop yau drugs ti kan sa ayu menta bat kio hadu uying hadu ka kamera kelas ru tengi kwa menta kalau masukkan kan le step no ene kam kenang bangi ngin la batek la kam yak ni kam da
abangi ya keren na po jo ka sinong ka thao ni smo ka sim chim bhai ni ka bai te bo ni drugs wala ka taru ya try ya kene ka kam bat abangi kendu ya ka bakum kini ka jing jalai ni drugs ni hapan dai saki bor jong ka soka kata ni like saka police department bat kene ka narcotic anti narcotic drugs kapan ya trailer bat ni amla bandan ya kata ngi sai trai hi na ka por kumno bando duna ya ni chai chingdi ni lai kalong pada ka an kata ya ka bangin penduna itang ka wei hi na kalyang ka jongi bat na ka jing hi ka jongi ka pachoria ka por jong ka puasoka bahkan le no kloi bahkan perkat no la kumai pat da kijing perkat di mai kumno ban khang lap la ne ban num sha ban wan sha kan ka jala ka jungi ya uni uja jingdi
taura de
la ka sorkar ka sim kya ingai skan ikan mas kan ba uni udrox unum ya ban wan rung ban rung daki pun teli kijing di bala ban supply tanya ban mangga na kubai pada kijela siapa ni kijela na kaya kijing
Firstly, it's very serious, especially regarding the drugs. Menace has increased rampantly, especially in our area. So you have witnessed through the social media. Also, we have come across. We have been dealing with this. It has been so long. So now we have seen like everybody is acting on that. Now we have a bit ease, no? In this regarding this matter also, because the Controlment Board also they have come into action. So now they have started. So since they have recently we had a joint inspection. You see, firstly wanted to inform you that all these illegal activities, be it drugs or anything illegal things, like it has been coming from Controlment area. So our area, as you know, like it's adjacent to Controlment. So we are affected. See. So this is the main reason. So it's very rampant, and so far it's under control within our area. But yes, if you ask about is it totally clean, or I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't use that word. But yes, still it's there. So we need to be aware about how to fight also. So you see, now we people out here, like fighting with these drug peddlers, I'm telling you, these people now, they are very acquainted with laws now. So they know how to tackle any case. So if police people also goes, they speak in law terminology, I'm telling you. So which is very difficult to issue. So what I'm saying is that my suggestion is, like, if the government takes the initiative through the Dream Project or through the law department or any way, like, to come and educate the local people, sometimes the normal people, so that everybody will know in and out. So that is number one. Like if you catch any peddler, what is the first procedure? Whom you need to call? You call the police. Then what is the procedure? These kinds of awareness program has to be conducted every now and then.
Our youths are dying, not even youths, but children as young as 9 years old are getting pulled into this. So instead of condemnation or judgment, we can be supportive and offer solutions, because it starts from families. As families, we try to brush it under the rug and deny it, but I think acceptance from both individuals and families can do a lot of good towards recovery. What really causes drug abuse? Well, for certain, I cannot say, but maybe it's peer pressure, or maybe just one-time curiosity. But before someone knows it, it's already dragging that person inside the addiction hole. And maybe it's deeper than just peer pressure or peer influence. Maybe they want to escape family brokenness, or they it's a mental struggle within itself. We cannot say, but it can be anyone. So we as a society, we can work on more support and more solutions, because we may say, okay, we did not do this, why should we care? But it is for our generation, it is for the betterment of the state. So even if we do not struggle with it personally, it is our responsibility as a society, I feel like. And I think prevention before even the addiction is so important. So by education at home, community, or schools, that's of urgency right now. And I think more initiatives like the Dream Mission is working wonders, but I think we need more accessible institutions, more affordable ones, because there are so many who want to go on a good path towards recovery, but there's lack of accessible institutions or affordable ones. So we have to build a system, a support system, a whole ecosystem of healing in our state, and focus more on this area. And I think law enforcement also has to be a bit stricter in dealing with the drug supplies, because if there's no accessibility, then no one can even fall into it. And lastly, I feel like just as youths, we can just be supportive. And if we see that it is an illness, not a crime, we can decide the future of the one suffering from addiction. Like, he can either go into a path of recovery, or he can go back into the shadows, which will do no one good. So I think it's a team effort from the society as well as the individual to work for the betterment and to win back lives from this addiction.
Nang tres tak kawai pula ini atau emphasize dalam yang lebat pan saya dan ai shot tidak loten yang dalam yang perhat deh ai umur lam lihat lah pun keren sekat lagi abun perhubungan kayaknya di sekat di gunung kir habul mungkin truk ya dalam bikin ya betul kada ki ninyo lah kita tu di hampir pensamlai kerni
Nilai tip yo ihi pastata di utang jindi bosnia ubah job ya jingim kalau hamtam di sebelah ba peci sempet ngayo ban di penukam box tip kan batai kumlo kat kum kuci kelang betsin mekli amat itu kimla syu ban I kacing teh merau usang kula cung drak saki pun samlah di sini kuat kuat aku baca lagi but dia pai hakabeti bat drugs kemaklam disin kalau yang tip haduk kat lu kata kacing bang kata drugs makin lah su bati teng wak lara kirio sa akhir isim la tui kira tinti dan kawai kalat kili na kawa kumno kelio bisa bangkit ya drugs banyak bantu bantu ni ya cuman kem kep show ya ka jingi dei haki bilang salang kapha kami aku ama kawai dei kaliang ka chunga so ramla da du lala da buat nak cuma cepat kan so dei hi kan shimi kilat punti ban rat tu kan ban penduk sundam naman yu i bang drugs way na so ha bilang salang Sim, kifun sama ni, kalau kibun kingok, aku makan au, sian lama, cuma cuban eu, ke tang kawin lah yang sana, aku heo pada urusnya, ngasu itu ya kan, ngasu bu cekap itu sama, kata dalam kawan, kinsi semjam rakam ya, nakata kami di box, bandala lelai bang rapi konsumnya, box, belum yo, cakap ada imlak salah.
Để thằng bà ông hát thanh cho nên là bà chơi lấy bà làm lòng bà sẽ sót cái ông bà chụp nào chụp chặt ta lòng bà chừng mà áp bị cái nào xâm làm nè ông bà ta mới lòng đi sport thay vào rắn nè ông bà là không kita mau dùng ngặt cái cái người ta bảo là chơi lấy bảo là yêu bảo là trên này chắc thành khả năng chỉ là mà thà đau lòng bà xuống lòng bà tay cái nào xâm làm như vậy là nặng một xíu nặng bàn pikir nặng bàn karena kan no makata kecing ngan maba jelai pelat ayu pelat. Kan kita hendak